To pair your Whoop charging cable, start by ensuring your Whoop strap is fully powered down. If it is not, press and hold the button on the strap until it turns off. Next, locate the charging cable and plug the USB end into a power source, such as a wall adapter or computer. Take the other end of the charging cable and attach it to the Whoop strap. Make sure it clicks securely into place. You will know it is properly attached when you hear a slight click. Once the cable is attached, your Whoop strap should start charging. To confirm the pairing, open the Whoop app on your mobile device and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, select the option to connect your Whoop strap. The app will then search for available devices and display your Whoop strap. Select your strap from the list to initiate the pairing process. The app will then prompt you to confirm the pairing by selecting the pair option. Once you have done this, the pairing process is complete and your Whoop strap is now connected to the charging cable. You can verify the connection by checking the battery level in the Whoop app, which should now be increasing as the strap charges. To ensure a successful pairing, make sure the charging cable is properly attached to both the power source and the Whoop strap. Also, ensure that the strap is fully powered down before attempting to pair it with the charging cable. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully pair your Whoop charging cable and keep your strap fully charged and ready for use.